Hello guys, today I want to make a video after receive my Note 7 replacement back. Today I received my replacement through AT&T. I read it on internet and I went to one of the store near to me and I received a new phone, brand new. I personally think that all this problem with the battery and the Samsung fiasco, it was just because they want to beat iPhone. They want to beat the release of the iPhone 7. Let's be honest. It's a business. But after receiving my phone, I'm pretty happy because I love Android. I love my Note 7. It's gorgeous. I got the black one. But after I received the phone, I got an update, almost 500 megabytes. I was like, damn, 500 megabytes update. What it is, what it is. I was wondering why my phone didn't have at the beginning the green battery. If you can tell, now I got it. So, and the update is not just the update of almost 500 megabytes for a green battery icon. But as you can see, I got a lot of apps installed, but the phone is running pretty good. It's running almost perfect. I don't find lags at all. I read on the internet that the update is more than a green battery icon. It brings user interface adjustment like a message, home screen, and quick panel. Improve the fingerprint recognition. The security on the device is improved too, and a couple stability improvement. Now this phone work better. If you have Note 7 before, I recommend you to go one of the store near to you and ask for your phone. The phone is working just perfect to me. Um, no lag at all. Just running perfect. If I got problems loading YouTube, is because I'm in a part of my house where I don't got really good signal. But besides that, the phone is working perfectly. If you love your Note 7, go tomorrow and ask for yours. I just wanna share this with you guys. If you got a comment or a question, you can leave a comment or a question down below and I'll answer to you any question that you guys have. Peace out.